doubtful or unwary of the legitimacy of their killabs. Hindi kasi, I think what they're fearful of is,
mabuti na lang at hindi ka nga naninigurado sa nagkakaproblema. Sa itong larong ito, mga kaibigan, naninigurado, lead pass to Mostre. Ando si Lastimosa, hindi nasindak si Mike Mostre.
And I don't think he's got a nice touch from the outside.
Dapat siguro iwasan na niya. Talking about touches from the outside. So definitely a lot of playing years para kay Stephen Howard. And as you said, a legitimate NBA player. In fact, played or was part of at least a championship series. Let's watch Stephen Howard in action. Nothing but the bottom of the net already with 5 points out of the 9 San Miguel first quarter points. Coverages, mga kaibigan, ilalabas natin Tinito Henson and Anthony Suntay in action against Shaquille O'Neal. Sa entry pass kay Lastimosa. Here's Mostre running the break. Laban kay Ria Lubit and Mike Mostre now with 4 points. Out fast break. The previous play ang San Miguel came through with a fast break. Mostre on the firing end. At ang slow-mo na yan. Brought to you by PLDT, the power of convergence. Scored for Sanchez. Another turnover here. Lead pass, Ildefonso, hahabulin, dalawang humabol, hindi man nakaya. And a lot of turnovers being... There's Jun Reyes, the playing assistant coach din ng Alaska Milk naman. And again, Lago goes inside. At si Abuda ang libre sa kanto. Parang si Efren Bata Reyes.
Malaki ang lamang ng San Miguel dito.
Nice cut by Billy Reyes and he will get his first 2 points in the ballgame. Alam nyo si Billy Reyes.
Yes, I'm hoping that hindi naman ganun na nangyari.
Well, right now, Carl Thomas is not showing us anything so far. And there's a PLDT 3-point shot mula kay Boybits Victor. As I thought, will take another one. Pasa pala kay Locsin. Sasaksak si Locsin and he will get the 2 points off the glass. Don Locsin scored.
An NBA veteran, played for 3 NBA teams.
Asay Tono, ball fake, drops it off. Carl Thomas is inside. Yes, first 2 points para kay Carl Thomas. First, laban sa 12 ng Ginebra. Outside shot by Howard. He is 3 out of 5.
When he saw that nagkaroon ng puwang dun sa baseline, sabi niya, he's not gonna get called for the offensive foul.
Or rather, Sanchez naghahanap pa ng mas magandang finish. There's Freddy Abuda again, just staying around. Ano pa rin po ang abante ng San Miguel. They led by as many as 14 kanina. And here's Howard.
Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, partner.
Samantala si Carl Thomas, way off there.
Ang layo nun.
Locsin, mabuti na lang at nandun si Noli Locsin. Made only 1. Samantala si Boybits, very close to the basket. Noli Locsin nasa poste. Laban kay Dwight Lago, he turns around and gets another basket. Noli Locsin is sharp. 6 points.
Hindi na napupunta yung bola sa kamay ni Ali Pic as far as the Sanchez offense is concerned. Bakit? Because in the NBA.
Marcela. Patay na naman. 21 na po ang abante ng San. Turning into gold para sa San Miguel. And look at that. Nobody there to stop Olsen against Mostre. Thomas.
At hindi pa pasa to.
Goes inside and he slams it home.
Why not?
No-fear slam. He's hoping he'll come out to play today. A little head and shoulder fake. And then he goes strong to the basket. Up against Lastimosa. Nilabas kay Abuda. Jump shot. Patay na naman. And both teams showing very impressive imports. Narito si Locsin, sasaksakan ang depensa. He will draw the foul from Art de la Cruz. And 1 lead.
Partner, malayo pa to, no? And yes, Sanchez needs to be able to take this 1 point at a time. And if they can play good defense like...
Free throw line for a bonus free throw after that foul na natawag kay Art de la Cruz. Ba si Art ng Agonoy, Bulacan.
Dual capacity na kasi si de la Cruz, partner. He's also an assistant coach now sa San Miguel. Ito si... Palagay ko, it's just a matter of time before Georgia really takes over this club, partner. Ito, nakita natin, Georgia taking matters into his own hands.
I mean, he has the skills, definitely.
Oh, yes.
This is a year, once upon a time, member of the Mythical Five in so many occasions.
At alam din natin, yung trust, faith, and confidence ni Coach Chotres, nasa kanya.
Oh, yes. Kaya rin naman may konsuelo si Lastimosa na nung lumipat siya mula sa Alaska, although masakit yung pagkakalipat niya yon. Pero alam niya na ang kanyang kasama naman dito, dati niyang kasama doon, si Coach Chotres. So,
University of North Carolina. Howard and Williams were the last cuts of the Los Angeles Lakers.
San Miguel, hindi man po kailangan ng siksing. Puro puto sa kinukuha. Finally, Ali Pic. That's a basket.
Lemon of hope, partner.
Oh, nice steal here.
Makikita natin.
May Arboleda.
Will there be time?
May oras ba?
Yes!
Buzzer. Back the ball. Locsin is open. Now he moves in. Nice fake and a great move from Noli Locsin.
Well, towards the end of the first half, nagpakita na itong Sankis.
Pinigil Locsin.
Ito, tumatakbo ang Sankis ngayon.
As I tono of a great pass by Locsin. So si Locsin ang nagpap. The firing end will be the bull from the tank. Gandang kombinasyon yan. Ang lalaki niyan. Yan, slow mo na yan. Brought to you by PLDT. Coming back here. They're down by 60. Nice pass, Locsin. Tinamon si Stephen Howard. And what a reverse from Noli Locsin.
Beautiful shot.
Sankis ay nakabalik na. Here's that last play. Watch the move with the left hand off the glass and the tank can fly. Tayo ng 14. Ildefonso, sinagasaan si Nelson. Goes inside. Yes. Daniel Ildefonso showing power there. This is ace ang abante po ng San Miguel. Tumira sa labas. 18 na. The cut of Mustre with the left hand. Saklay. Follow up ni Art de la Cruz. May kalipat lang pa. More muscle inside para sa Sankis. Locsin takes a 3-point shot. PLDT conversion from the tank. So
Daniel Ildefonso. Oh, touch passing.
And that will count again. Now he gets the pass at the low block. Now he'll take a jump shot. And he gets it. Nice swing there. Howard picks up his own loose ball. Napunta kay Freddy Abuda.
Stephen Howard.
Arboleda is in the ball game once again. Pinunta niya si Chili Reyes. Nakakadalawa na. So, Ildefonso could have attacked immediately. Now he does. Puts up his own miss.
Sa panakako ng offensive rebound.
Pass. Thomas not looking downstairs. Arboleda will take a long one. Yes! That's a 2-point shot. He stepped on the line.
Yes.
Almost a 3-point
Shot now is being challenged.
Here's Arboleda again. This time he'll take a 3.
Yes!
That's a
Pumasok!
PLDT.
Tatlo!
3-point forward. Dipsy-do move. Wala. Gets his own miss. Challenges the entire defense and gets the basket. What a move.
He got the shot up.
Locsin, laban kay Ildefonso. Jump shot. Yes. Noli Locsin now leading Sankis in scoring. 17 puntos na ang ginagawa ng tangke. And 13 boards. Ildefonso nasa gitna. One-handed shot. That's a patented move. Mula kay Daniel Ildefonso. Thomas goes inside. Bumps Howard. Nice move. In a while has been 14 points. They're down by 17. Behind the back pass and that will put down the lead. Winnie Arboleda and Noli Locsin combining. Sumama pa si Ali Pic. Who knows what can happen in the fourth? Stay tuned. We'll be back sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Long partner. Coach Chotres was looking for a point guard who can put some semblance of sanity sa offensive and sa players. They really have to step up at wala kami na Siegel, etc.
Aba, that's a PLDT 3-point shot from out of time here. Arboleda faking, coming closer, goes straight to the basket and a power move from Winnie Arboleda.
They're showing what they can do here late in the game. There's a double team. Oh! Howard and still manages the other end.
Rosella's okay. Locsin, sinaksakan si Howard. Sumabay ka pa. And the tank just
shot.
That was blocked partially by Thomas. Lead pass, nice pass. Thomas with a great catch. Nagmula na naman kay Arboleda yon. Nilaglag kay Thomas. Oh! Putik na mag-grab yan, but he gets the basket anyway.
Come on, take that. But they're doubling Stephen Howard, and Howard is looking for the kick-out shooters.
And now there's a technical foul.
Shot naman na natawagan ng technical foul.
Siguro nagre-reklamo nga siya, yes, about that particular play.
That was a foul on Howard, without a doubt.
Chotres slapped with a technical foul. And now Chotres pointing
for defense.
Double team, kick-out play. Victoria pulls the trigger. Yes! A big PLDT 3-point shot. At nauli sa 10.
Kita mo yung formation naman na ginawa ni Stephen Howard. Oh, he's blocked inside.
Goes up, gets the basket!
Ang ginawa niya, he went outside, he invited the single coverage, and he drove strong to the hole.
Actually, nasapat pa pala yung tira niya ng board eh.
Oo.
Tapos nakuha niya mismo.
Get the ball and drove strong to the hole. Rather than getting the ball.
So take another long one. Wala pa rin. Ali Pic gets the offensive rebound and puts it back in.
Playing well. As I thought, no? Well, he's playing another position.
That's a tough shot from Stephen Howard. But
Stephen Howard on that defensive play.
Ildefonso, get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Ayan, palagay ko.
Ramdam na ramdam na yun eh. Hinihingi niya talaga yung pasa. Eto, babawiin ni Ali Pic. But it just...
The leadership of Jojo, where is he?
Uh-oh, uh-oh. And there's another slam jam. Well, it's slamming time here.